If you need to request a refund from Instagram for payment that has gone through, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Find your payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Accounts section. Here, you will find a list of your recent transactions. Locate the payment you want to request a refund for. Step 5. Request a refund. Select the transaction and look for the option to report a problem or request a refund. Follow the prompts to submit your request, providing any necessary details about the issue. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund request. Instagram typically processes these requests within a few days.